Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Volatile channel. Today I will show you the best strategy for investors. Let's jump in. Basically, if you're just investor, you most likely use DCA strategy, but I already explained you why it doesn't work well, because you will never know the future, and you can, for example, buying coin on the same amount of money every single month or every single 2 months, but it doesn't work well because not every single time your average price will be better than previous one. That's why I will show you today how every single time buy your favorite coin at the perfect entry target. So in this text, now we will just add our entries and our price. For example, like this one, then by end of video, we just count and split it to know our average price during the period of 2 years. So let's take our Crypto Volatile take profit indicator, take a reply on TradingView, and jump into December 5 in 2020. So we don't know where the market goes, and we just jump in at $2.84. So here, our target, $2.84. Because we don't know, are we going down or up? $2.84. Every single time we will just buy coin if we're investor only at the buy line and the fundamental price. Here's the take profit line and the exit line. So our strategy is buying only when we touch these two lines. Let's go. Like you can see, we didn't touch the line, so it doesn't work. We can strict the perfect rules for our strategy. So the price increase it, and just imagine, like I told you, if you bought it here, for example, at $2, just by your psychology and by your emotion, you just want to jump in at here at $5 because you think, oh, EOS is going to 100 or 50 and I can miss the opportunity with this coin. But no, we have to use our strategy. And look, just by human psychology, when you buy at $2.80, you miss $5.40 and you see the price go to $8, and you will jump in here. So your average price become $5.50, for example. So your average price is increase, but our main goal is decrease our average price. That's why DCA strategy doesn't work. And you see that price is skyrocketing. You scare, oh, we go to 100 for sure. And you jump in here at $10. So your average price, we start at $2.80 and your average price now will be around $8. That's why this strategy doesn't work, because every single time we have to just buy according to our strategy at our entry points. And just imagine, a lot of people just jump in EOS at this price, just in case. So here, we touch our buy line. So for example, we touch $4.24 and $4.89. So let's take a look. So let's add fairly $4.89. $4.89. We touch the fundamental price. So here, $3.60. Price goes higher. We buy in here at $4.62. Of course, it's hard to buy every single time here when we touch the buy line or trade around here. That's why you can buy with small amount, the part by part, or just wait. Buy line, fundamental price. Buy line, fundamental price. Because you have to know, you will never catch the bottom and never sell at the top. So like you can see, with long time period, with all summer 2021, we trade under fundamental price. So of course, it's up to you, you can accumulate it. But we just add our average price. And just imagine, the people who bought it here, for example, they buy in here and they still get the average price around here. That's why DCA strategy is not a perfect strategy. We have to, every single time, jump in coin by good entry point, not just randomly. The same with exit points, what I showed you in my previous video. If we don't see the setup to buy and we trade in the middle, of course it's a gambling. We can go up or go down, but our goal is follow our strategy. And we touch it. Here's another touch. So $2.40 and $3.13. So average price around $2.70. We bounce it and can buy one more time at $2. So we touch the take profit line and now we wait the drop to make our price, average price is much better. So here we drop to buy line. Of course, then we capitulate to fundamental price, though to be fair, we will just add $1.52 because we don't know the future, and just by logic, we will buy at first touch. Now you see we trade under fundamental price. You can buy in here after this bounce. You can buy at 84. Let's take a look, 90 cents. Today, this is a strategy not for traders, this is for investors to make your average price much better for a long time period. So here's capitulation with FTX here, October, November. So like you remember, we touch the buy line 94 cents. Probably we can add one more time this price because we bounce it here, and after bounce we can buy one more time at 85, for example. Of course, this number is just in average. So now we can multiply all this entry points and we will see what the average price will be. So like you can see, our average price is $2.56. So now, like you can see, according to this strategy, we just, during the 2 years, just accumulate EOS 9 times. And our average price, even it's a bull run, even it's a bear market, $2.56, around here. Because trust me, a lot of people just jump into EOS around $3, $5, $7, $10, just psychological price. So the average price now around 9. And our price is $2.56. Because if you will buy just randomly on some specific date or on some amount of money, you will definitely lose your money. Because you will never know the future. Are we going up or are we going down? That's why we have to follow our strategy step by step and make our average price is much better. Guys, if you want to use my custom indicator set, include this crypto flight take profit with buy line and fundamental price line, you can write me DM only for $1 per day. You will get all indicator set 6-in-1. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.